Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations. This is the Friday edition, and today we have another Knit Picks unboxing. So let's get into it. This was a sale they ran where they were offering free shipping. So yeah, I don't believe the yarn was on sale at this one, but the free shipping made all the difference. So what did I buy? I've got a whole box full. So the first thing I have is this. It is Brava Recycle DK Weight. There you can see it. The color is called Bluesy. It is Brava Recycle DK. There are 360 yards per skein, and each skein is 100 grams. And it is, like I said, a 3-weight because it's DK, and it is 100% recycled acrylic. And I really like the color because it's kind of a light denim. There you can see it. It's kind of a grayish blue light denim color. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 total skeins of that. So, and it, like I said, it is 306 yards per skein. So all together I have 1,224 yards here. So this is going to be a summer top. And then I bought some other type of Brava. This is Brava Sport Weight, which is similar when I compare the two. The Sport and the DK are very, very similar, but I have 4 skeins of this, I think. Let me see, 2, 3, no, I have 5. I have 5 skeins of this. I'm not sure why, because this is actually more yardage than the other one was. I should have gotten 5 skeins of this one, because this has more yardage, where this has 306, this one has 340 yards. So it is slightly thinner than the DK, but not by a whole lot. This is considered a 2-weight, and this color is called Avocado, and it is a premium acrylic. It's 100% premium acrylic. So this will probably be a summer crocheted tee because I have a winter sweater almost exactly this color. So this will be a summer one. I just don't know what I was thinking when I bought 5 skeins instead of 4. Oh well, if I have extra, I'll have extra. So anyway, I have those. And I actually kind of like the two. They're not going to go together, but I actually kind of like these two colors together. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I have 2 summer tees coming out of that. And then I bought, because you know I love my minis, I bought 4 of these. They're like $1.50 a piece, I believe, and that's a regular price. This is Hawthorne fingering weight. There's 35 yards in a 10-gram skein, and it is bare yarn, so it can be dyed. So there you can see that. So I have 4 of those. It's like playing with pigtails. There we go. That's a new look for me. But anyway, I need caffeine apparently. Anyway, we have 4 skeins of that. So I will be dyeing some of this in the future. So that will be an upcoming video. They will be going into my hexie blanket. The last time I dyed yarn, I used a gel food dye, which I really liked. I liked it better than the liquid form, just because it wasn't as runny. I didn't have as much water content and fluid to deal with. It was just a lot less messy, and I could control where the color went a little bit better. So I need to check and see how much of the gel dye I've got left. I might have to get some more. Yeah, so that will be an upcoming video. But that is what I purchased lately from knitpicks. If you missed last week's video, I did a review of one of their new yarns, which is called Dilly Dally. If you missed that video and want to check it out, you can click the link right here and that will take you over to it, where you can see my review of that. They did send it to me to take a look at and test out, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, that will be, if you missed that, you can click that link. So that is it for this Friday. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider clicking that little subscribe button as soon as we reach our next 100 subscribers, which we aren't too far away. Once we hit there, we will be doing another yarn giveaway. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.